Hi all, welcome again. Today we will see what are twin primes. Definition 1. A pair of prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. Or definition 2. A pair of prime numbers with exactly one composite number between them are called twin primes. Got it? Observe example 1. A pair of 3 and 5. In this case, 3 and 5 are prime numbers and they differ by 2. Therefore, as per definition 1, the pair of 3 and 5 are twin primes. Got it? Also, 3 and 5 are prime numbers and they have exactly one composite number between them. Therefore, as per definition 2, the pair of 3 and 5 are twin primes. Got it? Similarly, these pairs are also twin primes. Got it? Now, look at the below examples. Example 1. A pair of 23 and 29. In this case, even though 23 and 29 are prime numbers, they do not differ by 2. So, they are not twin primes. Got it? Similarly, these pairs are also not twin primes. Got it? Now, it's a quiz time. Question 1 is 3, 5 a pair of twin primes? Yes, because 3 and 5 are prime numbers and they differ by 2. Similarly, the pair of 71 and 73 are twin primes. Next question is 4, 6 a pair of twin primes? No, because 4 and 6 are not prime numbers. Another question is 1, 3 a pair of twin primes? No, because 1 is not a prime number. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.